What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Trading Wars. Thanks for joining me today. Hope you guys are having a wonderful Monday. Today was a gap and go, guys, a gap down and go. We were able to catch a shorts early in the morning and make some great profits today. So I'm going to be walking you through this combination style of trading that I did today. You can see right here, I have the broker statements for the futures short we did. And actually, guys, it's pretty crazy. But within 1 minute and 51 seconds today, we made $1,000.32 with the fibs. So I'm going to be breaking that all down for you step by step, give you the education you need. So if you're ready, my friends, let's step into the war zone. So first and foremost, who do we have? Let me do some shout outs, then we'll get right into it. Isaiah, Alex, Trading Wars Army, what's going on, brother? Good to see you. Murder, Kyle Mean, Trading Wars Army, good to see you. V Ramirez, Cisco, Gringo Loco, Trading Wars Army, good to see you. Jay Villa, Nasda, Alex, Trading Wars Army, STK, Trading Wars Army, Edwin, Trading Wars Army, Ivy, Charles, AV, Todd, Trading Wars Army, Ramon, Trading Wars Army. Good to see you guys. Good to see you guys. Welcome, welcome. Come on in, guys. The door is open. All right. All right, let's get right into this. Boom. So I'm going to hit the replay here, and I'm going to talk you through the trades we took today. So as always, guys, we need to go ahead and draw the previous day's low and the previous day's high. And I'm going to go ahead and play the first 3-minute bar. All right. So what is this? What do we see right off the gate? What do we see here, guys? So we see a significant gap down, right? This is a big gap down. This is not a small one. This is a big one. And we did have some buying into the close. We could see buying in the last hour going into the close. And because of that, guys, the first play that I actually took on the day was the opening range breakout. And I really like this candle as the opening range breakout candle because it was a doji. And what a doji represents is indecision, right? We have a wick on the at the high and a wick at the low, showing that at one point it was up here, at one point it was down here. But when we closed in the middle. And this doji was the reason that I wanted to go ahead and hit an opening range breakout, combined with the fact that we had gapped down and I was expecting there to be a bull trap, right? Anytime you have those big gaps, we see traps in the market. So let me go ahead to my live commentary. So the first trade we took today was an opening range breakout. Okay. So I said, this is my live commentary from the morning. Good morning, friends. Premiums will be extremely high this morning, so be careful. Futures or shares are a good option. So you'll see that we traded futures today because we didn't have to worry about the extra premium that's going to be priced in on the gap down. All right. And right here, guys, at 9:33, we went short. That's when the first 3-minute bar low broke. We hit the first target and then the 50% extension. And then I said covering most of it here, just keeping a runner short, easy, quick money. Who's banking with me? That was pretty straightforward morning. So you really can't ask for more than that on a Monday, getting quick profits. So let's walk you through. So what we do here, we take the Fibonacci on the candle itself like this. And the good thing is this is a neutral trade. So if it breaks the low, we want to go short. If it breaks the high, we want to go long. But we don't we let the price action tell us what to do. We don't have a bias when we have a neutral candle like this and an orb. An orb is a non-biased candle pattern. Okay, so the next candle comes in, guys, and that was it. I mean, really can't ask for anything better than that. We got filled right when this low broke. First target on the 272, second on the 50, and then we just keep scaling all the way down, and then we get the stop loss to break even right there. So I mean, this is pretty much the most efficient, okay, way of making money, because 3 minutes in, you're out, right? And you either going to make money, you're going to lose money, but it's going to be quick, so you don't need to sit there all day and waste your time. And that's why I love trading the orb, because it gives me an edge right away. I'm in and out, and I can start the day the right way. So nice profit off of here. And then what I'm going to do now is I'm going to show you the next play, which was the fibs. Okay. So right after we had that, first of all, hit me with a 1. Do you understand the opening range breakout? So the fib on the candle of the first candle is not used as a Fibonacci. It's used as a target setting. So the reason I draw the fib on the first candle is to just help me with the targets for the orb. So what I created is I decided that I have an orb, but I need help with the targets. So what I do is use the Fibonacci to help me with those targets. It's not a Fibonacci trade, but the Fibonacci is going to help me to have a systematical way to take profits. All right. Okay. So from there, guys, we went right back into the next play. So I'll show you. This was the fib play we took. So we went ahead here, extend our anchor down like this. So now we have a full range. Here's our golden zone right there. Okay. So if we make a new low, we'll just move the anchor down, but you'll see we had an inside bar instead, and we popped up really quick here, guys. Boom. You see that candle right there? We popped up really, really fast here, and we got filled right on the 786. Okay. So I'm going to do a side by side here. I'm going to show you ES. Okay. So this was the trade right here, this one. All right. So I'm going to go to ES, and I'm going to show you how we executed it using futures. Okay. So I'm going to go here now. I'm going to find 930 right here. Okay. So this right here, guys, this is the 930 bar. So this is the same candle we're looking at over here. I'm on the 5. So let me go to the 3 minutes so you can see the exact bars. So right here. Okay. So here we go. So here's the 930 bar right there. And then the double inside, and then the pop back up, double inside, pop back up. Here we go. So I'm going to draw it from the high to the low like this. So we got filled right there on the 786. Okay. So there's a 786 fill. So right when we got filled on the 786, honest question here. Let's take a pause here. Okay. So how many of you would feel a little bit nervous about taking this trade? You look at this trade right now. Look at this trade. This is how it looks in real time. So don't hindsight. Look in real time with me, and we can say that this looks like a tough place to short, right? Because look at the size of this candle. What a powerful candle. Like, it looks like it's going to be bullish. It looks that it's going to continue higher. Hit me with a 1 if you feel like that. Do you feel like that? Do you feel like you look at this candle and this is going to be bullish? And the more I trade, the more I learn about, it's not, the candlesticks are not, they're not 100% telling the true story. They're not. Okay. The candlesticks are a part of the story, but the Fibonacci is that hidden resistance. It's that hidden level. It's that line in the sand. It's where the algorithm is, because the algorithm, like us guys, we were the algorithm today. Look at this. We're sitting here on the 78.6 with an order right there. And then the next candle comes in, boom, inside bar, flush. See that, guys? That's beautiful. And the good thing about today is we had confirmation with the fib. We also had an inside bar. So we had a confirmation there, guys, for this flush down. Really, really nice. So you'll see that we scalped this only. Okay. So we took it at 944 short. So you can see right here, 944 at the top of this candle, we got filled. And at 945, literally when it came back down to this 382, we sold it. Right. And the reason why we're doing that right now is we're building some new strategies around scalping. But really and truly, guys, let me analyze what this trade could have made. Okay. So just to show you guys the potential of trading futures. So we got in at 41.77.75. Okay. 41.77.75 right here. That's other 786. Okay. So we got filled here short. All right. So what was the low of the day? What was the low of the day today? So right around here, this was the low of the day. So let's go to this candle right here. So let's just say right around here. Okay. 41.38.75. Let me just round up. So 41.38.75. So let me just make it even. 41.37.75. Okay. So that's 40 points. 40 points. That's the potential today. 40 points. 40 points times 50 equals $2,000. Am I right? Am I right, guys? Correct me if I'm wrong. Times 4 contracts, that's $8,000. Right? So obviously you're not going to get the full $8,000, but only with the fibs can you get those type of plays, because we have the courage to get in front of the position. We're not going to short down here when the move is already done. We're shorting ahead of time. And what that ensures is we have a good risk to reward. All right. So the commissions were right here, guys. Look, $8.60 for 4 contracts. So just divide that by 4. That was the price for 1 contract for one way. That's what I pay for Interactive Brokers. So in total, to make $1,030, this is after commissions. So I made like $1,050 and $17 in commissions. So really, it really can't beat that, right? That's pretty good commissions, Interactive Brokers. And I'm finally able to contact Interactive Brokers, and I'm working on a deal with them to like come out with some kind of promotion for my followers, because I told them we have a lot of people that want to use them, but you know, they're not really accessible. So I'm working on that for you guys. All right. So hit me with the 10. Did that make sense for you? So the one contract is it's margin based. Depends on your broker. It can be as little as $2,000 all the way up to 10,000. Depends on the broker, what they offer. So all of these contracts are on margin. You can't buy them like with a cash account. You need margin. Okay. All right. And that was it. So that was it, my friend. So that Fibonacci played was called out right here. So I'll just walk you through. So it says going to take a shot with the morning leg. So we got that 618 fill first, and then the 786 filled right there, took us right back down. So we do this step by step with the community every day because that's the only way you can learn. And then boom, had that flush. Everybody banged today, clean day. And I just went back to the lounge and I said, if we take 1 to 2 good trades every day and reset for the next day, it protects our mental and physical capital and grows accounts effortlessly. And that's my style. And I really want to share that with you guys is you just need 1 or 2 good trades. You don't need to chase. You don't need to force. You don't need to have FOMO, 1 or 2 trades. You come to the game every day saying, I got 2 or 3 bullets. I have 2 or 3 shots. I have 2 or 3 swings. I have 2 or 3 free throws. That's it. And if you keep that mentality, you'll prevent over trading. You'll prevent FOMO. You'll prevent all these nasty things that come from trading. But you'll get the best things. And the best things is growing your account in such a little time. I don't know of any other place within 1 minute and 49 seconds that you can go ahead and make $1,032. I don't know. I don't know anywhere like that. And here's the thing, guys. Let me tell you something between me and you. This 4 contracts is just the beginning. It's just the beginning. One day that's going to be 40. One day that's going to be 40. Or one day it's going to be 400. Okay? One day we're going to get on the level where we can trade just like the institutions and the banks. And that's what makes it so inspirational to know that you can keep scaling to infinity. Nobody can stop it but yourself. There's no glass ceiling. When you work in the industry, when you work a regular job, there's always a glass ceiling. There's always a limit to how much they're willing to pay you. But in this game, there is no limit. And that's why it's the most beautiful game in the world. All right, guys. Boom. V Ramirez with the $10 super sticker. Thank you so much, my brother. I very much appreciate that. Really, really do. Thank you so much. And Jessica C, welcome to the Trading Wars Army. Thank you for being here. Let's welcome Jessica with the TW Army Spy VIP. Thanks, guys, for the support. So that was it, guys. That was my recap. Very simple. You know, I identified early in the morning that there was a big gap down here and that there was a risk of just crashing because there is a lot of opportunity when we have volatility with gaps. There's a lot of opportunity to make money because of the fear. And what you want to do, like you could see, we just continued lower and lower all day long. This was a trend day. And what you want to do is you want to get it early. If you chase over here, you're going to put yourself in a position where you can still lose money, especially when trading options, because the option is going to price that in. And, you know, that's another reason why I love trading futures, because there's no decay. There's nothing like that. Don't get me wrong. If you'd taken this with options, you still would have made triple your money easily. But the futures within that 1 minute to make that much money so effortlessly with only $15 in commissions, that's the big thing that I wanted to share with you guys today. All right. So thank you, guys. Thank you so much. Clean day. Monday is money day. It feels like these days, Mondays have been very, very well. All right. Just a little update here. So you guys know that the last time I added to my long-term portfolio for NQ was at 11,292. So I just wanted to give you guys an update here. So we have had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days in a row of going lower. So I am looking soon to add another contract to my longer term play. All right. So it's going to be high risk, high reward, but I have so much unrealized gains that I can add to it without being in danger. So I'm going to look for another spot here. I'm going to alert in the Discord. I'm not sure yet how deep I want this to pull back. But we still have some room here to get lower. If I take it from the last swing low here, we did touch the 50 today. So I'm going to make a decision pretty soon, and I'm going to alert that in the Discord, probably right under the SPY swing trades. I'm going to let you guys know when I'm looking for that next ad. All right. Okay. As always, my friends, where's my website at? Check me out at tradingwars.com. load up for me. There we go. Check me out at tradingwars.com, guys. Look, everything I talked about there with the fibs is in this book, the 786 method. All of that's in this Fibonacci book. Get 1 month for free. Come trade with us live tomorrow. Get the indicators for life, okay? One-time charge for life with alerts. Send alerts to your grandma, to your dog. Doesn't matter. You get those alerts, guys, okay? Or you can sign up here with the SPY book. So the SPY book is very similar to what I talk about in terms of options and futures. I have a breakdown here. The difference is I have a lot of guides here on, when to use what for those of you that are interested, or you can sign up right here on the main page. Okay. Right there on the main page as well. All right. So what we're doing right now, is I'm going to just do some scans right here and we're going to wrap it up. So let's see what we have for raindrops right now. Let's see if we have anything. So I don't expect there to be any good raindrops because of the fact that we had a gap down. So I don't expect there to be any neutral patterns today. So definitely no raindrops that I'm looking for. We'll go ahead and look for some holy grails right now. Let's see, do we have any holy grails? I doubt we have any inside bars today because of that gap down. So nothing there. And then I'm going to go ahead and look for Nirvana. See? Nothing. So, nothing really from a breakout perspective for stocks that I'm looking for with tight patterns. But we're just going to continue to hit SPY tomorrow. That's what I'm going to be focusing on like we do every single day. All right. All right, guys, look, thanks for your time. I appreciate you guys. Thank you for your support. And let's keep it rolling. I mean, on days like this, you make a lot of money that you have a lot of confidence going into the rest of the week. As long as you don't do anything dumb, you should finish profitable. These days are days that we love. They're textbook days, make a lot of money. And then, remember, guys, on Friday, I tried the opening range breakout right here and I got stopped out. So if I didn't stick to my plan, if I didn't stick to my guns, I would have missed this whole opportunity. And that's why it's so important to just stick to what you know works for you and just keep it going like a machine, guys. That's how trading is. It's like a machine. You just keep it going, keep good setups, keep good risk to reward going. All right, guys, please comment, like, subscribe. As always, if you leave a comment, you have a chance to win a giveaway. At 25,000 subscribers, I'll be giving away $500. So please subscribe, support the channel. And 100 trade challenge. We're working on some of this. We have the seminar, Fibonacci seminar, this Sunday for members. Check that out. That's in the Discord under events right there. Okay, the Fibonacci seminar. Thank you so much. Take care. Appreciate you guys. And I'll see you again tomorrow.